In this video, we are going to see how we can create a Google Docs document and then how we can share it either publicly or with someone specific on the email address. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just open up Google Chrome or any of your favorite browser where your Gmail account is logged in, as you can see here. And then we want to write here docs.google.com. Now, once we do that, if you are already signed in with an email ID, it will automatically log in and show you this main interface. Otherwise, it will show you the login credential screen where you just enter your Google ID and enter your password, and you should be able to land on this screen. Now, if you want to create any of the document, either we can start it with a blank document or you can use any of the templates from the template gallery. That can save you a lot of time. You just need to re-edit or make it your own personal for your brand or for your personal self. And if you want to start with the blank doc, you just click on this plus sign and it will open up a blank document. From here, you can write anything and it will automatically save the moment you write anything new. As you can see, as soon as I even press space, it will start saving it and it will save it to the drive. If you want to rename this document, you click on this and I'll write it as my sample document. Now, once you have created your document, it's time to share this document. So to share, all you have to do is just on the right hand screen or right hand side, you click on this share button. And if you want to share with any specific person, you just enter their email address right here and it will be only shared to that person. But if you want the general access, like for your website or any particular public link, which means if you want this document to be seen by public or they should be able to interact this, you click on this general access and instead of restricted, we change it to anyone with this link. So now it is a public link. You can also edit the permissions that what other people can do with it. They are only viewer, commenter, or editor. So let's say they should be able to participate in that as well. For that, we can make it either editor, commenter. But in this case, if you want to just share it with public, you can do this viewer and click on copy link, click done. And now a shareable link is generated. Wherever you share it, multiple people should be able to view this document, download this document, and interact with this document. So that is how you can create and share a Google Docs from your personal ID. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.